Hello everyone and welcome to my corner of the world. So today I decided that I would go through some of my products that I haven't used for a while, and one of those is this punch, lovely floral punch, and I've got my stamp set which has literally just got some greetings, and then Melon Mumbo. It's a colour that I'm very fond of, but I haven't used it in an absolute age. And so I pulled out some of the 6x6 Brights designer paper. Lots of lovely colours in there that are nice to use. And I think that Melon Mumbo goes really lovely with black. So I've pulled out and cut some pieces ready, and I've got just a plain white, basic white, thick cardstock base, and I'm thinking that I'm just literally going to put some layers down like that. Now I did cut, and I cut some elegant, like a 16th all the way around, for those, but I'm thinking that maybe I could do with a little bit more Melon Mumbo showing, but we'll see where we go with that. So there's my basic card, and I thought I would just use this nice scripted happy birthday, and I've popped it on a block ready. So there we go, and let's use some black. We'll just go ahead and use this tuxedo black, and we're just going to stamp happy birthday. And because this is like a photopolymer clear stamp, it's really easy to line this one up. So I've got that nice and level there. And let's see how this goes. I'm starting to think that I might want a bit more of my Melon Mumbo showing. So let's just take a bit of a trim of that. We're just going to take an extra bit of, let's see what we've got. So I'm going to just take another 1/8 of an inch. I think that was like, let's see. Let's see what we get with that. Okay. Oh, I like that better. We've got a bit more showing now. I think I like that one better. Okay. So to give this a bit of texture, I have got this embossing folder out, and it's called Exposed Brick, and it's one of my particular favorites. So I'm just going to emboss this. I've got my machine here, just got my base plate, and then oh, excuse me, line everything up and just run it through, and then let's see what we've got. Lovely, that's lovely. I think that will go on there beautifully, and my birthday's okay. So how are we going to use our punch? We've got these 3 flowers, and I think I'm going to use the smallest. I'm just going to pop them in like that, and just punch one. Oh, caught the edge wrong there, so let's do another one. That's better. Use that on something else. 2. 3. I've got that. Now, I've just had a thought because I've got another punch that has some leaves on. And I'm wondering if this might make something as well. Yes, that looks good. So we do another one. So this is a scrap from when I cut my, trim my piece of black. So let's see how that would look. Now, do I like that? Not sure yet. So while I'm thinking on it, let's go ahead and get some bits stuck down. So there's that layer. And then I always like to put my adhesive on the smaller of the pieces of card that I'm attaching together, because that way I know that I'm not going to get adhesive on a bit that's going to be sort of exposed. Actually, that does look quite elegant with the different. Now, this is, I'm going to give these some life. And I'm going to go with the flow. And you could choose any colour that you have a fancy for, because black will go with most of them. Or if you wanted, you could use like a navy blue, and a dark brown would be another good neutral. Right, let's see. I do like that, and just trim off the excess. And I could do one like that. Let's use you to squish that down. Just trim that little bit off as well. I think they look better without the longer stem. And then this one, what did I do with my other? Where did it go? I think they're peeking out there. Like that. I think I like that. I think I prefer if this one was a bit further up. There. There. Then, see, I'm liking this. This is turning into nice. As I said, hadn't really thought too much about what to do with anything other than I just literally pulled some pieces off the shelf and some colours. And then we've got these are the other ones. They're clear ribboned, and if you look, they have got like a nice effect. Let me take this off so I'm not blinding you with the reflection here. Okay, maybe you can see those. So if I put these in the middle, I was thinking black dots, but you know, I haven't got any black dots that would work. So we're just going to go with these light, bright, silvery beasties. And we see what we like when we get there. Oh, that's really bright and light and refreshing. And if we just take a strip, 3/8 is a favourite measurement of mine. I do like 3/8. More than 1/4 of an inch and more than 1/2 an inch. 3/8 is a favourite of mine. So if we just put this little strip of decorative paper on the inside, and that will, what I call, pull through the design from the outside into the inside. And also it makes it look, you know, like you've just not forgotten. I want to forget the inside. So there we are. I think I'm done with that one. Let me just put this on here so that you can see a little better. And I'm just going to bring it in for you to see. Well, I hope you like this idea as it unfolded. If you do, perhaps you'll go ahead, give me a thumbs up. Any comments or questions, you can pop them below and I'll look forward to reading them and answering any questions if I can. And I'd like to thank you so much for choosing to spend a little time with me today. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.